In this video, I'm diving into Kayak.com, a site that's been around for a long time in the online travel space. Kayak claims to offer smart tools for comparing flights, hotels, rental cars, and even vacation packages. When you land on the homepage, it's clean and minimal, clearly aimed at getting you to input your travel details right away. You can start with a flight search or switch between tabs for hotels, cars, and more. The flight search engine is Kayak's strongest feature. It aggregates results from tons of other sites including airlines, OTAs, and travel aggregators. The filtering tools let you narrow by bag type, flight duration, number of stops, and even carbon emissions, which I found useful. The price alerts and explore map are nice features if you're flexible or hunting for deals. But here's the catch. Kayak doesn't actually sell tickets. It redirects you to third-party sites, and that means you're relying on those companies for customer service. That can be frustrating when things go wrong. The hotel search is fairly robust, showing both major chains and independent options. You can view properties on a map, filter by price, guest ratings, amenities, and even neighborhood. One downside is that sometimes the rates shown on Kayak don't match what you see after clicking through. That inconsistency can waste time. The reviews are pulled from other sources like TripAdvisor, which adds some credibility. When it comes to rental cars, Kayak shows you deals from a wide range of providers. What stood out here is the ability to sort by car type, company, and pickup location, especially helpful in unfamiliar cities. However, I noticed that cancellation policies vary widely and aren't always clear from the main search screen. Vacation packages and cruises are available but feel a bit tacked on compared to the main features. They're functional but lack the depth and flexibility of using Kayak's main search tools. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Kayak's mobile app mirrors the desktop experience well, offering search and booking tools on the go. It includes helpful tools like trip tracking and flight status updates. But just like the website, everything you book is through a third party, which can be a double-edged sword. A major plus for Kayak is the Hacker Fares system, where it combines one-way tickets from different airlines to get a better deal. Sometimes these can save serious money, but you'll need to be okay managing two separate bookings. One frustration I've had with Kayak is the occasional pop-up redirect ads that take you to unrelated offers. They can be misleading and annoying. Also, Kayak's customer support is minimal because again, they're not the direct seller. If you have a problem, you're sent to whoever you booked with, which isn't always ideal. In short, Kayak is a solid research tool with some excellent features if you understand its limitations. It's not a one-stop shop, and it won't hold your hand during travel mishaps. But for savvy travelers who know what they're doing, it can be a powerful way to find and compare deals fast. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns and travel tips.